Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we start the month-wise events in the embryology. So the growth and development of the fetus is typically divided into the three stages, which are the three stages: pre-embryonic stage, embryonic stage, and fetal stage. Pre-embryonic stage, also called the gestational stage, fertilization. From fertilization 2 to 3 week तक प्री एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज है. उसके बाद आती है एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज फ्रॉम 4th week to the 8th week of the gestation. Then is the fetal stage from 9th week up to the birth. So there are the three stage embryologically. First is the pre-embryonic stage, which will start from day 1 of the fertilization up to 2 to 3 weeks. And the embryonic stage start from 4th week to the 8th week, and fetal stage, which is start from the 9th week up to the birth. So first lunar month जो मून चांद देख के हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो उसको हम कहते हैं ल्यूनार मंथ. तो फर्स्ट ल्यूनार मंथ में क्या इवेंट्स आती हैं और स्टार्ट कहाँ से होगी? फर्टिलाइजेशन टू द 2 week ऑफ द एम्ब्रियोनिक ग्रोथ. इम्प्लांटेशन इसमें कंप्लीटेड होती है. प्राइमरी कोरियोनिक विलाई फार्मिंग होती है. ये हमने डिस्कस किया है, लेकिन मंथ वाइज कभी कभी होता है, तो ये आपको थोड़ी पीपीटी हेल्प करेगी. तो अगर कोई शार्ट नोट आए तो उसमें भी और कोई वैसे क्वेश्चन करे तो उसमें भी. तो फर्टिलाइजेशन फर्स्ट ल्यूनार मंथ में क्या चेंजेस आती है? फर्टिलाइजेशन हो गई, अप टू 2 week ऑफ द एम्ब्रियोनिक ग्रोथ हुई, और इम्प्लांटेशन इज कंप्लीटेड. 6th डे पे इम्प्लांटेशन होती है और अप टू द 2 week तक वो कंप्लीट हो जाती है. प्राइमरी कोरियोनिक विलाई की फॉर्मेशन होती है. एम्ब्रियो डेवलप इन द 2 cell layer. One is the trophoblast and the other is the embryoblast or the blastocyst, and the amniotic cavity appear. तो फर्स्ट मंथ के जो है फर्टिलाइजेशन स्टार्ट होगी, इम्प्लांटेशन कंप्लीट होगी, प्राइमरी कोरियोनिक विलाई, इनर सेल मास, आउटर सेल मास जो है ट्रोफोब्लास्ट और एम्ब्रियोब्लास्ट. सो देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द 2 cell layer. One is the trophoblast and the other is the blastocyst. Amniotic cavity appear. What is the changes of the second lunar month? In the second lunar month, 3 to 6 week of the embryonic growth. At the end of the 6th week, the embryo is approximately 1 inch or 1.3 centimeter long. At the end of the 6th week, जो सेकंड मंथ में एम्ब्रियो की जो अप्रोक्सीमेटली लेंथ होगी, which is about half inch or 1.3 centimeter long. Arm and leg bud are visible. Arm bud are more developed with the finger ridges beginning to the appear. Rudimentary of the eye, ear and nose become appear. So these are the changes of the lunar second month. And lung bud are developed. Primitive intestinal tract GIT is developing. Primitive cardiovascular system is functioning. Neural tube, which form the brain and spinal cord, closed by the 4th week. So this is the second lunar month changes. Now the third lunar month. In the third lunar month, which is start from 7th to the 10th week of the growth, the middle of this period, 9th week, end of the embryonic period, end of the embryonic period and start of the fetal period, and the beginning of the fetal period. At the end of the 10th week, growth of the fetus approximately 2.5 inch, which is 6.3 centimeter from crown to the rump, and weight is half ounce are 14 gram. So crown and rump, एक होती है crown and rump, अदर दूसरी होती है crown and heel. Crown and rump बेबी सिटिंग पोजीशन में है. अब यहाँ देखें, ये बेबी है फ्रॉम क्राउन हेड अप टू द बटक. दिस इज द लेंथ फ्रॉम हेड, टॉप ऑफ द हेड and up to these buttocks. This is the crown rump, and crown rump heel from head to the heel length को हम मेयर करते हैं. यहाँ से यहाँ तक भी मेयर करते हैं, हेड से लेके रंप बटक तक, और यहाँ से हेड से लेके अप टू द हील तक. तो इस से फिर जो ऑब्स्ट्रिशन होती हैं, जो गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट होती हैं, तो वो इसकी एज की मालूम कर सकते हैं. तो 10th वीक में इट्स लेंथ about 6.3 centimeter from crown to rump and weight about 14 gram. Appearance of the external genitalia. Appearance of the external genitalia. Baby का ultrasound पे sex we can determine either is the female, either is the male through the ultrasound at this stage at the 3rd lunar month. By the middle of this month, all major organ system have formed. So membrane over the anus has been broken. Initially, the anus is covered by the membrane which is ruptured. So sometime it is not ruptured, it is a congenital anomaly. Imperforated anus उसको हम कहते हैं. तो imperforated anus में जो membrane over the anus होती है वो broken नहीं होती है. तो 3rd month में membrane over the anus has been broken and heart has found 4 chamber. By the 7th week, fetus assume a human appearance. Bone ossification become a start. Bone ossification become a start. Rudimentary kidney begin to secrete urine. तो bone की ossification और urine की formation, heart की beating, they are started from the 3rd lunar month. Now we discuss about the 4th lunar month. In the 4th lunar month, start from the 11 to 14 week. At the end of the 14th week, the growth of the fetus is approximately 4 by 4 inches, about 12 centimeter crown rump length, and it is about 110 gram. So day by day, they are increase the length and growth. Initially, the length was increasing, but at the last third trimester में है, और उसमें ज़्यादा ग्रोथ की यानी कि वेट की होगी. Head erect, lower extremity well developed. At the 4th month changes start from the 11th to the 14th week. At the end of the 14th week, baby become a 12 centimeter length from crown to rump, and the weight of the baby is 110 gram. Head erect, जो flexed होता है वो somewhat become erect, lower extremity well developed. 3rd में वो बड बन रहे थे upper और lower में. So now in the 3rd month, 4th month, lower extremity well developed. Hard plate and nasal septum have fused. Hard plate and nasal septum has fused. Hard plate और nasal आपके माउथ की जो अपर जा है, अपर जा में जो नोज के दरमियान एक ब्रिज बनी हुई है उसको हम कहते हैं हार्ड प्लेट. और ऊपर नेजल सेप्टम जो 2 नेजल पैसेज है उसके बीच में नेजल सेप्टम है, वो नेजल सेप्टम नीचे जो हार्ड प्लेट है, इनिशियली दे आर सेपरेटेड, बट एट दिस स्टेज दे आर गोइंग and combined with the hard plate. So hard plate and nasal septum have fused, and then external genitalia male and female can now be differentiated. External genitalia 3rd month से appear हो जाएंगी. Somewhat we can say that this is the male or female, but in the 4th month it is a more exposed and easily we identified through the ultrasound. Eyelids are sealed. Eyelids जो हैं वो close होती हैं और sealed होती हैं और 5th lunar month में which is start from 15 to 18 week old fetus. At the end of the 18th week of the growth, the fetus length become approximately 16 centimeter from crown to lump, and it is about 320 gram in the weight. Ounce 11 and the gram is 320 gram. Ossification of the fetal can be seen on the X-ray. 4th में जो है ossification start हुई है. Now we can see on the X-ray ossification of the fetal skeletal. Ear stand out from the head. Ear जो है rudimentary जो 3rd month में start हो रहे थे, तो अब ये हम visible हो रहे हैं externally. Ear जो है, the meconium is present in the intestinal tract. Meconium is the stool GIT material which after the absorption become formed, so it is present in the intestine. जो meconium जो इंट्रायूट्राइन लाइफ में जो फीटस स्टूल पास करता है तो उसको हम मिकोनियम कहते हैं. मिकोनियम जो है पेरिटोनियल कैविटी में एमनियोटिक कैविटी जो है एमनियोटिक उसमें जाके ये मिकोनियम जाता है, फिर वो एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. फीटस मेक ए सकिंग मोशन एंड swallowing amniotic the fluid. So इसी बेसिस में फीटस जैसे सकिंग मोशन करेगा तो एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड को सालो करेगा तो वो एब्जॉर्ब होगा. जो उसके जो एसेंशियल प्रोडक्ट है वो तो एब्जॉर्ब होकर फीटस को एनर्जी न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करेगा. जो रॉ मटेरियल है वो डिस्चार्ज हो जाएंगे, तो वो मिकोनियम की सूरत में फीटल स्टूल पास करेगा. Fetal movement may be felt by the mother at the end of this month. तो fetal movement जो fetal externally visible होती हैं या mother can feel the fetal movement, they are started from the 5th month. So on the 6th month, which will start from 19th to 20th week of the fetus, at the end of the 20th week, the growth of the fetus approximately reach about 21 centimeter from crown to rump, and say it's 630 gram. So Vernix caseosa cover the skin. Vernix caseosa is a jelly-like material which covering the skin. At the time of the delivery, also these material are present all over the skin of the baby, especially on the back side, which is washed out by the medical staff. So Vernix caseosa covering in the skin. These are the protective coat to the skin of the baby. So on the 6th month में एक तो इसकी जो length है, which is reach about the 21 centimeter crown rump length, and 63 gram in the weight. So Vernix caseosa is a jelly-like material which cover the skin of the baby. Head and body having a hair visible, which is called as a lango hair, which is a very delicious. Skin is a wrinkled and red. Skin is a wrinkled and below the skin, subcutaneous fat is not present. So skin is a wrinkled and red. Brown fat, an important site of the heat production, is present in the neck and external area. So fat which is produce the heat present in the neck and his nipple are apparent on the breast on the 6th month of lunar month of the. So now we start the 7th month lunar month. So 7th month will start from the 23 to 26 week. At the end of the 26th week of the growth, at the end of 26 week of the fetus is approximately 10 inch which is 25 centimeter from crown to rump, and it is a near about 100-gram weight. Fingernails present, lean body, subcutaneous tissue जो fat जो है, they are present, so the lean body, where जो wrinkles of the skin थे, वो आस्ते आस्ते खत्म हो रहे हैं और बॉडी जो है लीन स्मूथ हो रही है. तो आई पर्टिकुलरली ओपन, तो फोर्थ ल्यूनार मंथ में आई जो थी क्लोज थी. अब ये 7th मंथ में आई partially open, eyelashes present, bronchioles are the present, primitive alveoli are the forming at this in this month. Skin begin to thick on the hand and feet region. Starlets reflex present. Grips reflex is the strong. The starlet startle startle reflex present. Startle reflex ये जो open the arms and flex or extend the legs, इसको हम कहते हैं startle reflex present होता है. ग्रेफ्स रिफ्लेक्स, आप बच्चे में जो आफ्टर द डिलीवरी आपकी कोई भी चीज उसके हाथ में देंगे, दे विल होल्ड forcefully. The grefts reflex also present in the gestational intrauterine life. So वो जो startle reflex और grefts reflex है, वो 7th week में start हो जाएगा. At the 8th week lunar month, 8th week में which will start from the 27th to 30 week, 30 week, at the end of the 30 week, baby fetus length become a 20 centimeter, 28 centimeter from crown to rump, and his weight become a 1,700 gram. Eye become open. Apple hair, longo hair become begin to fade, and apple hair, which is permanent hair, appear on the head. Skin slightly wrinkled, जो पहले ज्यादा wrinkle थी, अब सब थोड़ी सी wrinkled है और subcutaneous fat deposit होना शुरू हुआ है. Nails, two nails present. Testes in an inguinal canal begin descent to the scrotal sac. Testes जो है हमें पता है कि testes abdomen में बनते हैं at the site of the lumbar region, where the kidneys are normally present. So testes, they descend from that and come at the inguinal region. But at the 8th month, testes start to descend into the scrotum from the inguinal canal. Surfactant coat much of the alveolar epithelium. Surfactant coat, surfactant ये जो हमें हेल्प करता है कोलैप्स एंड डिसेंड डायलिटेशन ऑफ द alveolar. तो वो जो कोट है वो become a much at the alveolar epithelium. 9th lunar month में क्या होगा? It is start from the 31 to 34 week old fetus. At the end of the 34 week of the growth, the fetus is approximately 32 centimeter crown rump length, and its weight become a 2,500 gram. Fingernails reach at the fingertips. Skin become a pink and smooth testes in the scrotal region. So this is all about the from first to the 9th month. Now in the 10th month, lunar 10th month, which is a 35 to 38 week, end of the month also is also a 14 week from the onset of the last menses, end of the 38th week of the growth. Fetus approximately at the time of the delivery, fetus जो length होती है near about 37 centimeter from crown to rump length होती है, और जो weight होता है they are about 3,400 gram. Ample subcutaneous fat become occurs and skin tissue, skin become smooth. So longo hair almost absent हो जाएंगे. Toe nails reach to the tip. Testes in the scrotum. Vernix casus are mainly on the back. जो पूरे जिस्म पे वर्नेक्स है, jelly like एसिड है, वो only present on the back. Breast are the form. So this is all about the from first lunar month to second lunar month. In the next topic, we will start the twin pregnancy and labor. Twins pregnancy और labor का एक लेक्चर होगा. उसके बाद congenital anomalies को हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. Any question